heavy rain overnight. It will be an improving story, but we still have 3 severe flood warnings in
This is an emergency alert system message issued by the National Emergency Communications Authority. This is not a test. Authorities have confirmed the rapid formation of an unprecedented nationwide event. Initial containment measures have failed. The affected area continues to expand at an abnormal rate. Officials warn that all sectors may soon experience complete saturation. Please avoid unnecessary